Hello, today I will unbox and test Xiaomi Portable Electric Air Compressor 2 Pro. Portable compressor for easy inflation tires on bicycles, cars or balls. There is no risk of overinflation with real-time tire pressure display. Set the required air pressure value or select a preset mode and inflation will stop when the desired pressure is reached, allowing for worry-free use without fear of overinflating your tires. The pressure range is from 0.2 bar to 10.3 bar or 3 psi to 150 psi. The capacity of the lithium battery is 2500 mAh. The 2500 mAh lithium battery can reinflate approximately 16 car tires or 30 bike tires on a full charge. Convenient for general use without frequent recharging. Equipped with a white light ideal for illuminating large areas. Also features an SOS blinking red light for emergencies. Manual. Xiaomi Portable Electric Air Compressor 2 Pro. Type-C cable for charging. Bag for storing devices and accessories. Quick connect valve adapter. High pressure air hose extender. Needle and Presta valve adapter. There is a light on the back and top of the device, and a charging port on the bottom. To disconnect the hose, press the red button on the top of the device. On right button you can change pressure modes between bicycle, custom, motorbike, car, electric scooter, or ball. The up and down buttons are for adjust the pressure. The left button is for turning the light. The middle button is for turning the device on and off. The extension hose can also be used as a replacement for the main hose if it becomes damaged. I'm going to deflate the tire to about 0.5 bar and try inflating it with the Xiaomi compressor. Now I'm going to inflate the tire with the Xiaomi compressor to 2.5 bar. It took 4 minutes and 16 seconds. I will also do a test by inflating the ball to 0.6 bar. If you want to change measurement units between bar and PSI, press the right button a little longer, and short press is for switching between modes. And for end, device specifications. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.